Welcome, lower school parents, to a brand new adventure. As you know, we are moving to Canvas school-wide this year for your students' learning management system, also referred to as an LMS, which is really exciting for continuity of information as well as academics and teacher alignment. So that's going to be really wonderful. Alongside that, at each level, there is a student hub in the middle school and upper school by which your students are receiving regular news, updates, information, technology bulletins, etc. from administrators. Now, at the lower school level, we aren't going to be creating a lower school student hub. Instead, you are getting a lower school parent hub. And that lower school parent hub is going to be run primarily by your lower school liaisons. And their job is to help facilitate the connection between homeroom parents and homeroom teachers in order to disseminate important information to you. So let's get started. To access the hub, you are going to go into Canvas and you are going to actually have to search for and download this course, which is called Lower School Parent Hub. And you should be able to find it if you type in Lower School Parent Hub. You may also type in Lower School Parent Hub, Lake Highland Prep, and that should help you find the course. So once you are in the course, you are going to see the home page. And it looks like this. It's basically a bulletin board because that's sort of what this is. And various things on this bulletin board are going to take you to different bits of information. The first thing I would like to point out is the lower school liaison weekly email updates and announcements. This is going to take you to a Google document in Google Drive that the lower school liaisons are going to update weekly with important announcements. It is also going to include a parent Q&A questions, as well as links to important documents for parents. For example, uniform guidelines, spirit days, etc. Back here on the central page of the hub, you will also find a quick link to the LHP website parent portal. That parent portal is going to have a lot of really important information. It has the directory for the lower school. It also has calendars and so much more. So make sure that you check out the LHP website parent portal. This is going to be the lower school grade level calendar. This is actually going to be a calendar that is separately maintained by the lower school liaisons. And it is going to feature special events and information by grade level, and that is going to be 100% run by your lower school liaisons, so make sure you see them for questions. And then I just wanted to point out right here where it says room parent news, updates, and digital sign-up sheets. We are going to be changing the way that the typical emails have worked in the past. There was just so much information in those. And so instead, what you've got is you've got these lower school liaison announcements, which is like the very top part of the weekly email, which had the really crucial big information that was going out to all lower school families. It was important to know. And then this is going to be organized instead by homeroom. So you've got your pre-K, kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And basically within these folders, you're going to find room parent news and updates, your volunteer sign-up sheets, that's a big one, your class roster, and you'll have the ability to share some school pictures. So you will click on the folder that your child is in, whatever grade level, and it's going to take you to this Google Drive. You're then going to click on whoever your child's homeroom teacher is, and I'm going to take you to my sandbox just for an example. And when you click into it, you're going to see these three documents. You're going to see the homeroom parent hub weekly letter and announcements. You're going to see your roster, and you're going to see your sign-up sheet. Each of those is going to have important information for you. This is the announcements. That was the portion of the email that was information. This is going to be information in terms of contacts, birthdays, etc. And then this right here is going to be how you sign up for various events. So when you click on it, it's going to open for you like this, and it'll have a list of different events, their dates, and the link for your sign up. And then homeroom parents have the option of updating status as to how much, it is still needed to be filled, etc. There's also right here an opportunity for you to add pictures of your child or different school events that you took to share with other parents in that same homeroom. It's very simple. If you have a picture on your desktop, you just select it, drag it, and drop it into that folder, and then you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. That's how it's going to work for you guys to stay in contact with one another. If anything else gets posted to this, you will be able to find it in modules. And if you click on that, it's got these same resources that I just showed you, but in a more typical linear fashion. And then it's got some website quick links for you there. This is all housed within the parent portal. I just gave you some quick links. And that's it. So your lower school administration and your lower school liaisons are going to be communicating with you through a variety of fashions this year. It's all going to be new to you. It's all going to be new to them. So hopefully together we can navigate these new waters. Thank you so much for your time and hope you enjoy your new hub. Bye.